Hey friends, today we are solving division 2 question which is sequence with digits. So it's a recurrence based question. So basically the value of a raised to n plus 1 is equal to a raised an plus minimum of digit of an plus minimum digit of an. So mean plus max. So we have to multiply these two and add to the suppose we need to calculate second value, so we will be adding first value plus minimum digit of first value into maximum digit of second value. So over here you can see the example. So in this the input will contains t number of test cases, over here 8, and each line in the test case will define the two values which will be value and k. Okay, so over here k is 4, so basically we will need to calculate k4. So initially we will have k1 will be equal to 1, k2 will be equal to an plus minimum digit of an into maximum digit of an, so it will become 2. So k3 will become, in this recursively we will be able to solve this. So at the end you will get the 42 answer. Okay, so again over here 487 in comma 1 for 487 will be the answer. For 487 we need to find value of a2, so basically it will be a1 487 plus minimum digit into a1, minimum digit of a1 which is 4 into maximum digit of 487, so 487 plus 4 into 8 equal to 59. Similarly we will be calculating up to the value which is specified by the k over here. Okay, so let's write. So okay, over here I have created t number of test cases. I am taking input from the t number of test cases. I have created two long variables to store the input. X will store the n, the value of the first value, and k will store the up to which value we need to calculate. Okay, and print digit sequence, this method will store will be printing the actual values. Okay, so static void print, so it will have two values, int x, so it will be long x, long y. Okay, sorry, long k we will take. Okay, now if k is equal to 1 we can just return x, right? We can print x and we can return, right? Because we don't need to calculate anything. K equal to 1, then system dot out dot println k, sorry, x, return. Okay, else what we need to do is we will be recursively calculating the values from the k2. So initially what I'll do is I'll create a one variable which will be the total sum, we can say, and I'll make it as x. Okay, since, sorry, it will be long, I'll make it as x, so that we'll start from the k equal to 2, and recursively we will add all the values. Minimum, we'll find the minimum digit, maximum digit, multiply it by plus sum, and recursively we will add again and again. So I'll be using iteration for this. Okay, for int k equal to 2, int I'll take I equal to 2, I less than or equal to k, I plus plus. Okay, so now we'll need to find out like this: sum plus equal to sum plus min digit of sum, normal sum, plus max digit of sum. So basically we are just adding recursively the values. At the end we will return the value when it reaches the k. So we'll just create a function which will be returning mean into max. Okay, public static and long get mean in max. Okay, mean into max. Okay, int n, so it will be long n, long n, while we'll first define long mean equal to minimum digit is equal to long dot max value, and long max equal to long dot mean value. Okay, so now we'll calculate minimum digit and maximum digit in single go, and we'll return their multiplication as it is required in recurrence relation. So while n greater than 0. Okay, so if n percent 10 is less than mean, then mean will be equal to math dot mean will be equal to n percent 10. Similarly, if n percent 10 is greater than max, then max will be equal to n percent 10, and n will be now n slash 10. Now over here we will be returning minimum into maximum. Okay, so we calculated minimum into maximum. Again, if minimum into maximum comes 0, then all the next parts will be 0, right? Since this output will be 0, so what we will do, we'll compute up to less value than this. So if get mean max sum 0, then break, else sum plus get mean max sum. Okay, so return, so system dot out dot println sum. Okay, so this will be our program to solve this. I have already submitted this and it is getting accepted as well. Over here you can see. So we'll run it once in my system for this input. Let's run it. Yes, it is giving correct output 42487 519 528 4544 564 588 and 628 according to the input. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.